Imagine a world where all technology suddenly vanished. No smartphones, no internet, no modern conveniences. What would life be like? Could you survive even a single day without it? Picture waking up to a silent morning, no alarms, no notifications. The world is eerily quiet. You step outside and everyone seems lost, disconnected from their usual routines. As the day progresses, you notice people starting to interact more, children playing outside and a sense of calmness settling in. Could this be a glimpse into a simpler, more connected life?
Where's my phone? Why is everything so quiet? This feels like a nightmare. How am I supposed to function without my phone? How did people even live like this? This is unreal. I can't believe it. No notifications, no buzzing, just silence. It's like stepping into another world. How did people manage their lives without constant connectivity? This is so strange. Thank goodness it was just a dream. But what if I actually tried to live without technology for a whole day? The thought lingered in my mind as I got out of bed. Could I really do it? No phone, no computer, no TV. Just me and the world around me. It seemed impossible, yet intriguing. Maybe, just maybe, it was worth a try. All right, let's see if I can survive a day without tech. It's just one day, right? How hard can it really be? I mean, people used to live without technology all the time. Maybe this will be a refreshing change. I'll get to experience life in a different way. Let's do this. Okay, this is way harder than I thought. I never realized how much I rely on technology to get through my morning routine. From waking up to making coffee, everything feels like a challenge. I miss my alarm clock, my coffee machine, and even my phone. This is going to be a long day. I never realized how much I rely on Google for everything. How did people manage this before the internet? It's mind-boggling. Imagine having to look up information in an encyclopedia or search through a library card catalog. Writing notes with a pen and paper feels so slow compared to typing. And using a typewriter or a rotary phone, it's like stepping back in time. Without texting or social media, it's like I'm cut off from everyone. It's lonely and a little scary. I miss the connection. I never realized how much I relied on my phone to stay in touch. Now I feel like I'm drifting away from my friends. It's a strange feeling, being so disconnected in a world that's always connected. Maybe life without technology isn't so bad after all. It's nice to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the little things. We often forget how beautiful the world around us is when we're glued to our screens. Taking a moment to appreciate nature, spend time with loved ones, and engage in simple activities can be incredibly fulfilling. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more. This day was tough, but it also taught me a lot. I realized how much I depend on technology, but also how much I miss out on when I'm always plugged in. Maybe I should do this more often, but not too often. It's all about balance. Finding that balance is key. And it's something I'll strive for every day. Okay, no iPad. How hard can it be to draw the old-fashioned way? This is way harder than it looks. How did artists manage this back then? I mean, seriously, every line feels like a challenge. And erasing mistakes? It's a nightmare. I have newfound respect for traditional artists. This is definitely not as easy as it seems. Wait, how do I adjust the brightness? Oh, right. I can't. The joys of real reading. And what about the font size? Oh, I guess I can't change that either. Finding my place again is a real adventure. No digital bookmarks here. But hey, at least I get to feel the weight of knowledge. Real pages, real problems. How did people ever get anywhere with these things? North is where? I need Google Maps. Right now. This paper map is so confusing, I can't even tell which way is up. Maybe if I ask someone for directions, they can help me out. I really miss the convenience of Google Maps. Where's the search bar? How do I know what's on sale? This is chaos. I can't believe people do this regularly. The crowds, the noise, the endless walking. It's overwhelming. I miss the simplicity of online shopping. Just a few clicks and everything is delivered to your door. But here, it's a whole different ballgame. Next time, I'm sticking to online shopping, if I ever go back to it. I haven't written a check in years. What's my account number again? Why did I think this was a good idea? This is so frustrating. I miss the convenience of online banking. Standing in line at the bank feels like a waste of time. And using an ATM, forget about it. I just want to pay my bills without all this hassle. This cash-only life is driving me crazy. Okay, no videos, no tutorials. I've got this. Who needs YouTube when you've got a 50-year-old cookbook, right? Let's see how this goes. First step, find the recipe. Here it is. Now, let's gather the ingredients. Chopping vegetables, stirring the pot. Wait, what does this even mean? This is harder than I thought. Maybe I should have stuck with online recipes. This day was tougher than I expected, but I learned a lot. Maybe I won't go tech-free every day, but it's good to unplug once in a while. Maybe just a little longer without it. Who knows? It's amazing how much we rely on technology, but sometimes stepping away can bring a fresh perspective. I feel more connected to myself and my surroundings. It's a challenge worth trying, even if just for a day. Living without technology for a day was tough, but it reminded me of the simple pleasures we often overlook. It's worth trying. Just don't forget to set an alarm. Could you survive a day without technology? Let us know in the comments below. Disconnecting can be a refreshing change, and it helps us reconnect with ourselves and loved ones. What would you miss the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I challenge you to unplug for a day. No phones, no computers, no gadgets. Think you can do it? Let's see. Challenge accepted? Oops, almost forgot. Let's turn that off. Imagine the possibilities. Rediscover the world around you. Are you up for the challenge? This was harder than it looked. We had so many funny moments and bloopers. It was a real challenge, but we had a blast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Knowledge Nitro. See you next time. Some things I'm glad to have back, but I'll always remember that day. It was a unique experience. Living without technology, even for a short time, made me appreciate it more. It also made me realize how dependent we are on our devices. Would you try a tech-free day? Let's talk in the comments.